Hello everybody, Chris here from Galileo FX, back with part 2 of our onboarding series video, and today I want to talk to you guys about compatibility. What I mean by compatibility is what our Galileo FX trading software is compatible with platform-wise. When we're talking about platforms, we are referring to three different platforms in this case. We're talking about MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and we have a beta for NinjaTrader running. Yay! Let's start with MetaTrader 4. Now, MetaTrader 4 looks like this. My apologies, this is MetaTrader 5 actually. This is MetaTrader 4, as you can see. So this is how it looks. You can add different charts, whatever you want. Galileo comes installed on it. And actually it's a good thing I opened 5. I can put them side to side for you guys as a comparison. As you can see, they look similar. The only sizable differences being on 4 auto trading and on 5 algo trading. And then on 4, whenever you're setting up Galileo in the common tab, you have these boxes to check in, whereas on 5 on the common tab you just have 2, right? So that's literally the only difference. Plus, when it comes to updates, generally MetaTrader 5 receives it first. Alright, so MetaTrader 5 gets updated first, then after a while MetaTrader 4 gets updated. This differs from broker to broker. And now I said something very important. You might say, oh Chris, what do you mean by broker? Excellent question. What I mean is that not all brokers will offer MetaTrader. Alright, so we have brokers that handle manual trading out there, and we also have brokers that do manual trading and automated trading by offering MetaTrader. And you might think, alright Chris, but there's thousands upon thousands of brokers out there. How do I know the one I have to use? Another excellent question. For that, you can always head to our website, galileofx.com, and if you scroll down past all this beautiful information that I highly recommend you guys check out, we have all our resources. Under the support one, you have find a broker. You can always click on it and you get redirected to another page, specifically the compatibility broker page for Galileo FX. And all you have to do in here is click start, select where you're from. Now I'm going to select another country because we currently don't have any brokers in Romania. So I'm going to go for the UK, and then you have a platform selection. So what do you want to use? Be it MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or NinjaTrader, for which, as I said, we have a beta right now, so that the official release for it is coming real soon. I'm gonna opt for MetaTrader 5, for example, right? And then right away, you get a lot of brokers recommended to you. Look at all these brokers. We got Vantage, we got Active Trades, Pepperstone, Think Market, all the brokers, and all of these, that's the good part, all of these offer MetaTrader. Most of them do MetaTrader 4 and 5, right? So you can decide which platform you want to use. Now, what you have to keep in mind about these brokers is that not all of them will offer the same things, right? So depending on what you guys want to trade, it's always good and recommended when you're checking out brokers to make sure that they offer the respective asset on MetaTrader. All right? Once you do that, you're free to register an account, put in money, install Galileo, and trade. But then you ask me, Chris, what if I don't want to start trading live and put in my money? Well, for that, all of these brokers also offer a demo account. So if you can register an account, and instead of opening a live account, you can always open a demo account. Or even better, if you decide to purchase Galileo FX, you don't even need a broker at first, simply because the Galileo FX folder comes with the MetaTrader 5 installation in it. Once you install MetaTrader 5, once you open it, you will see a little prompt from a inside broker in MetaTrader 5 called MetaQuotes. All they do is they offer demo accounts, so you select them, you click next, you select open a demo account, you fill in your information. The information that you fill in is generally your name or nickname, um, a phone number, and the birth date, right? So they can actually verify that it's a human. Once you do that, they give you the login and password, and you're automatically logged in on MetaTrader 5 on a demo account. You can even select the amount of paper money that you would like to trade. I believe the lowest one is $3,000, and it can go all the way up to $100,000. I believe that's the maximum amount currently on MetaTrader 5. Once you do that, as I said, you're automatically logged in, and you can install Galileo either by using our guide or by purchasing one of our installation appointments where our support team will connect with you, will have a chat with you, and assist you with the installation, be it on your live account or on your demo account. That would pretty much be about it when it comes to MetaTrader. I've left NinjaTrader for the last part. Now, NinjaTrader is slightly different when it comes to the platform. The platform kind of looks like this. I know it looks confusing, but don't worry, videos covering this are coming and they are on the way. You will be able to add all different pairs, all different instruments. You will be able to add Galileo onto them with strategies we are currently developing for it. A lot of them we actually already have ready. You will be able to monitor your trading and everything like you do on MetaTrader. This is just a different platform essentially, and it will allow access to all these different markets as well, such as crypto, gold, indices, directly here as well. This is very important to know because take the US for example, due to trading regulations currently on MetaTrader, US citizens can only trade currency. So NinjaTrader will be an amazing alternative if you're interested in trading something else other than currencies. Alright? Uh, Key takeaway from this video should be that Galileo FX can run on a demo account. Very important thing. Um, you don't have to start out with real money. You can purchase the software, you can install it on a demo account and get a feeling for it first, right? Run it for a couple of weeks, try out different strategies. We have a performance page, which we discussed in the previous video with my colleague Cody. As you guys saw, we have over 600 strategies, right? So you can pick and choose whatever you wish. Alright, so that's the magic of the demo account. That's why it's a good thing to have it. It gives you that safety net that you need to be ready for live trading. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as usual, my humblest respects to everybody. Chris signing out.